Hello everyone, today we will solve the lab of the password reset token logic. This lab come under the authentication vulnerability. So without wasting the time, let's read the lab. This lab password reset functionality is vulnerable. To solve the lab, reset Carlos password and then logged in and access his my account page. Okay, so we need to access the victim account and we already have a credentials that we logged in and use it, and we have a username of the victim. We need to access the account of the Carlos. Okay, so yeah, let's access the lab. Wait for a second. Okay, so here is a website. So let's load it to the Burp browser. Okay, let's log in the credentials that we have. So here you can see I logged in. So first of all, let's reset the password of the credentials that we already have. Okay, to see how the two-factor authentication, sorry, how the forgot password functionality will work. Okay, so let's again log out, go to the my account and forgot password, and let's write the name of the credentials that we have. So I write the username and submit it. So yeah, check your email, the reset password link will be sent. So here you can see the link will be come in our email. Okay, so we need to access it. So let's see, here is a page of the forgot password. You will first of all, let's see the URL, like forgot password. The temp forgot password token is this. So here the token will generated. After the verification of the token, we change the password. Okay, if they verify. So here is the twist. So first of all, simply change the password. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, click on it. Yeah, password will change. So go to the burp suite and find the latest. Yeah, it is a latest request that we conduct. So here you can see, here you can see this is the request of the password forgot, and this is the token, and here is the credentials, and here is the password that I changed 1 2 3 4 5 of the credentials that we already have. Okay, okay, so yeah, if you send it, yeah, you here you can see it will redirect to the exact page, which means the password will change. You can log in with your password. Okay, so what I will do, I will see the token will generated here. Okay, so let's try to remove the token. Okay, let's see, like, the backend server can verify the token or not. If they verify, that's the well and good, but if they can't verify, then you can change the password of any users that are existing in this website. And we also solve the lab to this. Okay, so let's remove it. Change, yeah, let's write something like x. Okay, and here also, yeah, wait. Okay, okay. So I use the crack version of this, that's why few of the errors are already came. Okay, let's remove the token here. So here you can see I will remove the token from where? I will remove the token from the URL part, and as well as credentials part, in the body part. Basically in the request body I will also remove the token. And now I will try to change the name, yeah, of victim that we need to access the account. Okay, so I change the name, I remove the token from the request body and the URL also, and the password will the 1 2 3 5 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let's try to send it. Here you can see there is no change, it will again redirect, and let's follow the redirection. Here you can see, okay, let's go to here. Okay, password will changed. To verify it, let's start login like Carlos. Okay, and the password that I write it 12345. Here you can see the lab will solve, and we can easily access the Carlos account, the victim account. So what the logic here, mm, it will generate the token when we forgot the password and generate the link that are come in the email. So it will generate the token. Okay, so token must be verified, then the password will change of the existing user. So okay, so if the token will not verified, then we just need to remove the token and change the name of the you are we can change a name to the another username. Okay, and try to change the password of that, so we can easily change it, because token will not verified in the backend server. So that's why the token must be verified in that time, then it will cannot be solved the lab. So yeah, that's the lab. Thank you so much.